Good afternoon, class 10 students. Today we have discussed the topic of preparation of salts. So we have discussed 4 preparation of salts: washing soda, baking soda, POP, and bleaching powder. So the first salt is what? Washing soda. Washing soda beta chemical formula is Na2CO3.10H2O. Chemical name is sodium carbonate decahydrate. It's a type of basic salt. Why? Because it is a combination of strong base and weak acid. For preparation, we require 2 things: baking soda and water. So in first step, where we heat baking soda, it forms 3 products: sodium carbonate, water, and CO2. This sodium carbonate is known as soda ash because do not contain any water molecule. In second step, recrystallization of sodium carbonate means we add water molecule. So when Na2CO3 combined with water molecule, it forms washing soda. So the washing soda is prepared in 2 steps. बेकिंग सोडा को हीट किया और Na2CO3 वाटर डाला. So like this way we can form to a compound washing soda. Now come to next compound, baking soda. For baking soda the formula is what? NaHCO3 sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is also a type of basic salt because it is a combination of 2 compounds, strong base and weak acid. For its preparation we require 4 things: ammonia, water, carbon dioxide, and sodium chloride. This is what common salt. So it is also prepared in 2 steps. First, by heating ammonia, water, and CO2, it will convert into ammonium bicarbonate. This is balanced equation. In second equation step, we react ammonium bicarbonate with NaCl. This is a double displacement reaction. NH4 come in the place of Na and Na come in the place of NH4. So it will form NaHCO3 and NH4Cl. This is a main product and this is a side product that is called byproduct. So this main product is known as what? Baking soda. So like this way baking soda is prepared in 2 steps. Now come in the bleaching powder section. Bleaching powder is known as CaOCl2 or CaOCl bracket and बाहर Cl. Its chemical name is calcium oxychloride. बेटा मैं जो सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन बता रहा हूँ इस सब पे क्वेश्चन आते हैं और जो इंपॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन है वो मैंने पॉइंट से फॉर्म में लिख दी है और ये एग्जाम में पूछे जाएंगे बेटा. It's all type of acidic salt because it's a combination of strong acid and weak base. For its preparation we require 2 things: calcium hydroxide, that is known as slaked lime, and chlorine gas. And this chlorine gas should be dry. So in the preparation, slaked lime react with dry chlorine gas like this. It will form bleaching powder plus water, CaOCl2 plus water. So like this way we can prepare bleaching powder. Now come to next preparation, POP, plaster of Paris. Its formula is CaSO4 dot half H2, or we cannot write in the form of water molecule the fraction, so we put this 2 here. It will become 2CaSO4H2O. This is the correct method of writing the formula of calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Is it clear? It is also a type of acidic salt because it is made of strong acid and weak base. It is prepared by heating gypsum. These are raw material required for the preparation of POP. So when gypsum is heated at 100 degrees Celsius, so we heat gypsum at 100 degrees Celsius. So when we heat gypsum at 100 degrees Celsius, gypsum will lose 1.5 molecule, that is called 3/2, and the remaining water molecule is what? Half H2O. So this is called what? POP. Is that clear? Precaution: while preparing gypsum, POP from gypsum, temperature should not be more than 100 degrees Celsius. If temperature will be more than 100 degrees Celsius, then gypsum will lose all its water molecule and remaining part left is what? CaSO4. We cannot call it as POP. It is called as dead burnt plaster, which is of no use. It is black in color. So like this way we can prepare all the 4 types of salts. Washing soda, this is what? Baking soda, and this is what? Bleaching powder, and this is one what? POP. तो बेटे देखिए पूरा मेथड है, 4 मेथड्स है जिसके थ्रू आप ये मैं समरी फॉर्म में आपको डिस्कस कर दिया. आपको लर्न करने बहुत ईजी होगा बेटा. थैंक यू बेटा.